So it's Wednesday, day 3 of Fashion Week, but I've been like setting up and on the go since Sunday, so pretty much day 4 for me. Today's Pellador, so I'm going in to help set up, and then the show's this evening. Yesterday went so well. I am actually just delighted my day's over now though, because it was quite intense. Everything, like the emotion and the tiredness, the physical demand, like the mental demand. But yeah, it went well. Just my train. Went and got a coffee because that is really needed, so I forgot to do my nails again. Yes, I'm gonna head in, see what needs to be done, run around. I'm so happy that today I'm just there to help. I'm not able really for anything else, so yeah, excited to see what's going on. Okay, so first job, we ran out of the something and nothing cans. They're kindly like partnering with us, providing us drinks for Dublin Independent Fashion Week. They're like these amazing sodas, they're so good, the packaging's amazing. But we ran out, so I'm gonna go and meet someone that has a few crates, try and carry them back. That is my plan right now. Ooh, try not to get knocked down. Okay. Hey, got the cars, let's go. It looks great.
Some nice artifacts around. Yeah. Look at the camera.
Oh, sorry. Pellador show was amazing. This was their first time showing a collection in this format, and as a kind of sports and football inspired brand, everything was really on theme. Like there was an AstroTurf, there was benches that everyone sat on to watch, there was like a handshake at the start of the show, and there was also like these tickets like for your seat that everyone had too. The collection was great. There was lots of denim and jumpers and t-shirts. Pellador as a brand are really known for their knitwear, and there was lots of really great knitwear in this show. We were really grateful for Pellador to come on board and join us at Dublin Fashion Week. as a brand, they really kind of represent Irish fashion at the moment. And yeah, it was just really cool to have them be part of the fashion week. And the room, as you can see, is so different to how my show was. It felt really, really like a fashion show. People were leaning over each other to try and get photos and film everything. And yeah, it was just really great and quite a special moment, I think, to be part of.